In this video, you will learn how to set up email forwarding on Godaddy. Setting up email forwarding on Godaddy allows you to automatically forward incoming emails from one email address to another. Here is a simple process. First, visit the Godaddy website and sign into your Godaddy account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on your name or profile in the top right corner and select My Products from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to Email and Office. Click Manage All to go to your email settings. In the Email and Office dashboard, look for Email Forwarding option. This option might be located under your domain settings if you're using Godaddy's email service. Click on the Add Forwarding button. Enter the email address you want to forward to the email, and then also enter the address you want the emails forwarded to. You may have the option to set multiple forwarding addresses or filter emails based on certain criteria. In most cases, you can forward emails unconditionally and every single email. Once you've entered the forwarding address and configured any settings, click Save and activate email forwarding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.